Thank you very much for clicking on Zara Naija. This video is all about the remedy to make the eyelashes and eyebrows long and thick naturally at home. First of all, we need aloe vera gel. If you don't have the aloe vera gel that is sold in the store, you can use it. But I'm going to use the aloe vera. I have sliced open the aloe vera and scooped out 1 teaspoon of gel from it. So here we have a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I have my vitamin E capsules ready. Now I'm going to break it and squeeze the oil, vitamin E oil capsule, and squeeze the oil into the aloe vera gel. The next item we're going to be adding to the mixture is castor oil. Castor oil provides all the nutrients needed for the eyelashes and eyebrow to grow thick and long. Now we're going to mix it very well. And voila, our mixture is ready. The second method of making your eyebrows and eyelashes thick and long naturally is to have your aloe vera like this ready. You put the aloe vera in a pot like this one, then put half glass of water in it. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to allow it really boil. Because of the aloe vera, our oil has now turned green. You can decide to use any of these 2 methods. The results will be the same, having long and thick eyelashes and eyebrows. You are advised to use a cotton bud to massage on your eyebrows and your eyelashes every night before you sleep, and wash it off in the morning with clean, fresh water. And you will see the difference that is having long and thick eyelashes and eyebrows naturally in a short while. Thank you for watching Zara Naija on YouTube. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button so that you'll be among the first people to get our beauty tips as we drop them fresh. Also, don't forget to watch our other interesting videos on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, all at Zara Naija. Thank you.